taking some measurements of existing exterior wall locations. I wanted today to get an exact measurement of this fireplace because as we've opened it up, I am now contemplating saving it because it's so beautiful and it is original to the house, and I really like it. So I'm seeing if I can work it into my design concept. And if I can't work it in, and if it's not structurally sound, I am trying to work in a place where we can repurpose the bricks so that we don't take them out of the house. I want them to remain in the house. So we've been working on that this morning and just trying to get some exact measurements of where some of this original structure actually is so that I can create hallways in the new plan as we repurpose some of these rooms and rearrange them a little bit. So that's what we're doing here today. And also to measure the piano that was left here because she's gonna stay and we're gonna get her tuned up. We're gonna play. So that's what we're doing today at North Grove Farm. I got all the dimensions that I needed.